Officers responded to a serious crash where multiple occupants were involved. Upon arrival, 2 individuals had already exited the vehicle with minor injuries, while others remained trapped inside.
Guys, don't move for us, okay?
As emergency crews worked to extract the passengers, the severity of the situation began to unfold. This is what happened next.
61 order B. Jump on that one.
You okay, bud? Yeah. Sit. Don't move, okay?
He's part of it.
Don't move.
And the people in the vehicle are part of it.
That's fine.
We heard it from over there. We came running over.
Watch out.
You guys keep an eye on him.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Yup. Gonna help.
Try, dude. We couldn't get the door open.
All right, hold on. Just don't move. Hey, listen to me. Don't move, okay? Just sit still. Yeah.
Guys, don't move for us, okay?
Hey, you
Who else
okay?
was in the car?
You hear me? Hey, buddy. You hear me? Fuck.
Is there still somebody in the car?
2 people. 2 people in the car.
61. We have entrapment.
We tried, dude. We couldn't get the door open.
All right, hold on. Just don't move. Hey, listen to me. Don't move, okay? Just sit
Is the other
still.
one breathing? All right, good. Guys, don't move for us, okay?
Hey, you
Who else
okay?
was in the car?
These 2. That kid.
All right, bud, take a seat. Take a seat.
All right, the police are right here.
Take a seat, relax. Guys, where are you hurting? Where are you hurting?
Honestly, just my fucking knees. My face kind of hurts.
Yeah, you banged your nose up a little bit. Just try not to move, okay? Where are you hurting? If you want to lay down, that's fine, but I need you to stay awake, okay? Did you bang your head?
He did.
You don't know? Okay. Don't fall asleep on me, okay? Do you have a crowbar?
Yep. They're right here.
All right.
6101.
Good.
Good.
Hey, buddy.
6101. FHP's in Miami.
Okay.
Yeah, 2. Front driver, back passenger. These 2 were in there as well. I'm seeing just minor injuries on them. Bud, sit. I don't want you to fall down in case you black out.
Hey, how you guys doing?
There are minor injuries. Anything hurt? You want me to move it over here, actually? What? You want me to bring the truck over here?
Do you need us out of the way? Or are we good?
No, you're okay.
All right. Guys, did anybody witness it or you just hear it?
We heard it.
Okay.
I was the first one to see it. I was coming northbound and saw him in the trees.
Okay.
Okay, you're okay. I'm here with you. Rescue's here. You're okay. All right?
Hey, Jordan, scoot back.
Sit over there.
Jordan, sit on the other side.
over
We're going to
there.
open this door, okay?
Sit on the other side so they could open, okay? They have to open it for you to get outside, okay? So sit on the other side so you don't get hurt. Go scoot over there. Scoot back.
Scoot back.
Scoot back.
6101.
Jordan. Yeah, huh?
Don't charge it yet.
Jordan. Scoot back.
Can you confirm what kind of pole is it? Is it an electric pole?
Jordan, move back.
One of these concrete poles.
Move. Sit right there.
Copy.
Stay right there.
Copy the number when you're ready. Good. Charlie 557. I'm not seeing any significant damage to the pole itself.
Stay.
Jordan,
Stay.
hey, Jordan,
Get off
back up.
Get off.
Back up, Jordan. We're right here, okay?
Back up.
Here, I'll tuck this up so you can see us.
Back up. Back up.
Jordan, scoot back.
Move back.
I know, back up.
Listen, they gotta open the door. I know you don't, okay?
Open it, okay?
Look, he's opening. That's what he's doing, but you gotta stay off the door. You gotta stay off the door for him to open it, okay? He's working on it. Jordan. Please. Yes. Oh, fuck.
Please open it for me, bro.
Stay there. Stay right there. No. Get off the door.
120 FHPs are out.
Get off the door. That's what I was trying to prevent.
I got you, bro. Jordan. Get him on there. Hey, can you have that? I got
Bud, relax. Relax.
Oh, bro.
Put him down on his butt.
Oh.
Hey, sit. Calm, man. Calm down. Calm down.
Hey, you're
Calm
good.
down.
Stay
Relax.
down. You're good, buddy.
Relax.
Relax. I need you to stay right there, all right?
You're in good hands. You're safe. Take a breath, okay?
You're good. I need you to stay seated. Stay seated. All right? You're good, buddy.
No, we don't want you to stand. Listen, you were in a car accident, okay? No.
I can't breathe.
You can breathe. You can breathe.
You're fine.
In your mouth, out your mouth. In your mouth, out your mouth. Work with us here, okay? Breathe through your mouth. Your nose is just a little bit messed up. It's all right.
Listen, you can breathe, okay?
No. We need you to stay seated. We need you to stay on the ground, bud. We need you to stay on the ground, bud. Stay here for us, okay?
I have a question. Who's that? Is that your friend? Right over here. Is that your friend? Are you okay? Tyler.
He can lay down. That's fine. What's his name, Jordan? Jordan, breathe, man. Just keep breathing. That's it. Just keep breathing. You're good. What you see is what we've got. We're still working on the driver.
You have all together 1,
4.
2, 3, 4.
Still working on getting the driver out. He just got extracted just now. He's got no idea what's going on right now. I see blood coming from the ears. He's been good. He's just got blood from the face. I don't really see any injuries on him. And he's just freaking out, obviously. Bud, Jordan, sit. Sit down, man. Relax. Relax. Sit. Take a seat. Take a seat.
Yeah.
Relax.
Whoa.
Relax.
I want you to sit, okay?
You're having difficulty breathing because you're not using your mouth. Use your mouth to breathe. Breathe through your mouth.
Big breath. Big breath in, big breath out.
Stop, man.
Hey.
Stop. Stop. What are you guys doing? No.
We need you to sit on the ground.
Okay.
So sit.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
Why are you not sitting? Put him in cuffs. Stop.
Fuck, bro.
Come here. Stop.
Fuck, bro.
Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground. Give me your arm.
Let go of the arm.
Who's Tyler?
He's gonna come down. We just need to move. Come down.
Tyler! Just chill. Look, you're in shock. It's Tyler right here. Look, that's my hand.
Tyler, help me, please.
Bro, you're in shock.
You want a hobble?
Tyler.
I got one.
There's one in the back.
You're in shock.
I can't.
You,
Here. Here. In case you need another ride.
Tyler, grab me. Tyler, get me, please.
Jordan, you're in
No,
shock.
I can't breathe. Tyler, please.
Not breathe or what?
I cannot breathe, please. Tyler.
Jordan, I can't.
By yourself. Fucking
That
room.
stuff's got fentanyl in it sometimes.
I can't get the
You
room.
understand that?
No.
Well, yeah, you're in cuffs. You kind of punched me in the face, dude.
There you go. I'm guessing those years.
yeah.
Well, yeah, just relax.
You good?
I didn't see it coming.
Tell me your name.
Hey.
Tyler's here. You're fine. Tyler is here. You're fine.
Help me, please, bro. Joe, please.
We got all kinds of people working on you, okay?
Please help, bro.
We're sitting next to
Tyler!
Or, I'm sorry.
Pick me up, Joe.
Jordan, look, I'm right here.
Don't get in your way.
Pick me up, bro. I'm so scared, John.
You're just in shock. Trust me, bro. All 5, 6, 1, 5, 7. Jordan. Hey. Where you at?
Can you guys take one of these?
Jordan.
Got the other one?
I got the one that was right
February
here.
4th.
February 4th. What year?
Hey, you know his location in the vehicle?
So, single vehicle crash, so we currently have southbound diverting into the median. Multiple trauma. They're still working on getting the driver out of the vehicle. We've got another 2 that are banged up pretty good. A 4th one they're working on, trying to figure out how hurt he even is, which isn't bad. The one that they extricated so far is freaking out, maybe head injury. He decided he wanted to fight, so I ended up getting punched in the face. Happens. So that's where we're at. I don't think so. Split lip, maybe. That's all I'm finding so far. So we end up tasing the kid that was fighting. But obviously we're thinking head injury. We're not going to charge him. It's just, it is what it is. Are you good with him in there?
Are you chill now?
Okay. Your taser's good? You got both? Okay. I'll have Dylan follow you up there.
The man was not charged, as his behavior was determined to be the result of his injuries.